welcome back to The Oily Life. My name is Tanya and today I'm going to be sharing how to make a DIY glow serum. Now a glow serum is just a facial serum that you apply to help even out your skin's tone and help get rid of any sort of dullness. It also helps with just addressing any general skin concerns like dark spots, wrinkles, anything like that. So it's just a step you can add into your skincare routine to kind of amp it up a notch and help with all of those issues and keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. So the one we are going to make today is good for all skin types, but I will also have a blog post linked down below that will address making a more specific glow serum. So if you're looking for one for oily or dry skin or aging skin, I'll have a link down below where you can kind of look up more customized glow serums based on your skin type. So to get started, we just need a dropper bottle, and to this dropper bottle we are going to add jojoba oil as our carrier oil. Now jojoba oil is a great oil for any of your skincare needs because it mimics your skin's own natural sebum, which is it's kind of a waxy layer on your skin that keeps it looking young and radiant and healthy. So this helps kind of mimic that. As we get older, our skin doesn't produce the sebum the same. So this is a great one for aging skin, as well as all skin types. You could also use something like a rosehip oil. That's a great one for skincare, or even like a sweet almond oil. I would stay away from fractionated coconut oil. That one can clog your pores sometimes. So I would choose, like I said, either a grapeseed oil. That one has tons of vitamin E in it, the jojoba oil, or like a sweet almond oil. So just getting that in the bottle. You're going to fill it most of the way up with the jojoba oil. There we go. And then just for some added nutrients and antioxidants, and plus to keep the glow serum from any of the ingredients in it from having any chance of going rancid or anything like that, I like to add in some vitamin E oil. And it's like about a teaspoon of that. I just eyeball it. And now we're going to get to the oils. So the first oil we're going to add in is geranium. Geranium is a great oil for more radiant skin. So we're going to do 5 drops of geranium. And it smells absolutely wonderful. The next 5 drops of lavender. Lavender is very soothing to the skin. So if you have any sort of redness or anything like that, lavender is a great oil to help with that. Next is cedarwood, and I think a lot of the time people associate cedarwood just for sleep support, but it's also great for your skin. It helps with any sort of fine lines or wrinkles, so we're going to put in 5 drops of that. Plus it pairs really well with the lavender. The next is elemi. Elemi can be used, or frankincense can be used. Elemi is basically just a more affordable version of frankincense. And frankincense or elemi, whichever one you're putting in, that helps with fine lines and wrinkles. So it's definitely one you're going to want to add into your glow serum. And this is another one we just do 5 drops of. So you're putting in 20 drops total into your 1 ounce bottle. You could go 7 drops each if you wanted. I like to stay on the lower end and just do the 5 drops of those oils. And then as an optional ingredient, you can do blue tansy. Now blue tansy is a pricey oil. It is in a lot of the high-end skincare products out there. It helps with fine lines, wrinkles, the youthful appearance, all of those things. But it is a pricier oil, so you can totally leave it out of this glow serum and still have a great product. But if you have it, I would go ahead and add it in. I just used 2 drops, plus it gives it kind of that awesome blue color. And even with it being a pricier oil, this is basically the only thing I use the blue Tansy for, is my glow serum. So I've had this bottle for over 2 years and haven't had to replace it yet, so it's gonna last you a long time. So don't be afraid of the price tag of it. It's more of an investment oil. I get my oils from Young Living, and basically I just saved up my reward points and purchased it, so I didn't have any sort of out-of-pocket expense. But if you have it, definitely add it in. It kind of takes your glow serum up another notch. Don't worry about it, just leave it out. You'll still have a great glow serum. And that literally is all there is to making your own glow serum. It's super quick to make, very easy, affordable ingredients with the exception of the blue Tansy, but like I said, that one's optional. So once you have everything in your dropper bottle, you just put the lid on it, give it a good shake, and then it's ready to use. I add 1 to 2 drops to my moisturizer in the morning and in the evening. If you have a little bit more oily skin, I would only do it once a day, so probably in the evening would be best. But if you have normal to dry skin, morning and evening will work out great. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, definitely give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you like videos like this. I'd love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Take care, and until next time, bye.